How to fix a slow iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix a relatively slow iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if your iPad is relatively running very slow, it could be due to the lack of storage and due to many of the apps which you see. So on my iPad, you can see I have lots of apps and games installed. So what I would recommend you to do is at least clear some space on your iPad. In order to do that, we can open up settings and we can go to general. Once we go to general, over here we can go to the option called iPad storage, and once you tap on iPad storage, what you could do is right over here you can go ahead and simply delete any of the apps which you don't want to use it anymore. So let's say I want to delete YouTube. What I will do is you could tap on the button which says delete app over here and then go ahead and confirm the changes. Similarly, I would recommend you to uninstall any of the unnecessary apps. In my case, what I would also recommend you to do to simply enable unused apps offload. So you can see offload unused apps. When you do this, the apps which you don't use for a certain while is going to be offloaded in the background, which is going to help you save space. And when you want to open the app and simply relaunch it, then that is the time it's going to reinstall this application. So if we enable offloading apps, so right over here we're going to simply enable offload app. Now your iPad will detect some of the apps which you don't use over a period of time, and it is automatically going to offload that particular app. The other thing I would also recommend you to do is to simply always update your software to the latest version. So for that, again, we'll simply come to the general tab and we will select software update. And as we select software update, if there is any type of update available, even a tiny bit, you can see iOS 15.7, I would recommend you to simply install the update and then install your iPad to the latest version. If not, last but not the least, I would also recommend you to actually turn off low power mode. Sometimes when you're having a lag on your iPad, it could be due to battery saving mode. So if you have turned on low power mode, what I would recommend you to do is to simply turn this feature off right over here. And hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve the issue. If it did help solve the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.